Hello, everyone. This is Dave Bondy. How are you doing? I'm a news anchor, reporter, a dad, someone who keeps it real. We're talking about freedom of information. A lot of you ask me why we can't get information from the governor's office in Michigan or the state legislature. Stay with me. Don't go anywhere. If you're watching on Facebook, share this video out. It's so important to get all this information out there. Follow me and like me on Facebook as well so you can get the real, keeping it real news. If you're watching on YouTube, please hit the subscribe button. That way you get all of the updates from me that you don't get on other social media because they like hiding stuff at times. You know what I'm talking about. So here's the deal. In the state of Michigan, FOIA does not exist for the governor's office or the state legislature. For those of you who don't know, let me explain this to you. In other states, for example, I worked in Alabama. There in Alabama, I could fill out a piece of paper, a document. It's called Freedom of Information Request. And I could fill out a document saying, I would like this information from the governor's office. I would like, you know, emails, copies of emails that the governor has written certain lawmakers. And the state would be obliged to give me those documents unless there was some reason why they can't. And then I could fight that in court. I can also ask the same for the legislature in Alabama and many other states as well, Florida as well. But in Michigan, it's against the law. In Michigan, freedom of information is blocked when it comes to the governor's office or lawmakers in the legislature. Do you think this is fair? Not many of you may know this. The average person may not know because a lot of you ask me all the time, why do I not get information from the governor's office? Why do we not get information from the lawmakers? This is why we are not very open in Michigan. We're not. So that's why it's important to share this video right now. Let me show you something though. If you want this to change, there is something, and I'm not asking you to do this, I'm just telling you information. I am just giving you information out. There is uh, not legislation, but there is a ballot drive that is occurring that, in the state of Michigan, where people are going to be asking you to sign your signature for a ballot drive to go ahead, and this will launch a 2022 ballot drive to subject the Michigan governor and legislature to the state's public records law. Michigan is just one of two states to exempt the governor's office and is among 8 states where lawmakers are explicitly exempt. Now, the bill would end exemptions. They've stalled in the Republican controlled Senate before. So the Republicans have blocked this before. Some Democrats have blocked it as well. And this is not about Republican or Democrat. What this is about getting all of the information out there that you, the public, deserve to get. Why is it hidden? Um, Many of you have these questions, and I just wanted to let all of you know why we, the media, I work for Mid Michigan Now, Sinclair Broadcast Group, great company, great organization. We're all about giving you depth and perspective, and this is why sometimes we can't get information. So if you want to be involved in this, there's a link I have in the story. If you're watching on YouTube, I have a link to the Mid Michigan Now story. If you're watching on Facebook, just look up above. I think it's up above. I have a link to the story where you can learn more about this. But I just wanted to make this video and let all of you know it's so very important because a lot of you ask me this all the time. So I'm going to let you go, everyone. Keep it real. Share this video out. I hope you can have everyone follow my page because I am all about just giving you real, unbiased information. Have a great day, everyone.